On the top of your Yealink T53W is your phone display. You will see the phone status bar. This is where you will see info with what has happened with your phone, including the time and date. To make a phone call, you have 3 different options. You can use the speaker button, headset, or pick up the physical phone. Dial the number or extension to make that phone call. While on an active call, if you get a second call, this will display on your screen. Simply press the arrow down button and click the answer. This will put your first call on hold. While on an active call, if you need to put the caller on hold, simply press the hold key. To resume that call, press resume. When putting a call in park, this puts the caller into a position where anyone from your site can access. To place the call in park, press the button on the right until you see park. Once you have selected the park button, follow the system instructions. To retrieve a parked call, pick up the phone and select the More key and retrieve. To end the call, simply press the button or hang up the phone. The Do Not Disturb feature can simply be enabled and disabled simply by pressing the D&D button. When turned on, all incoming calls will go straight to voicemail. However, you can make outgoing calls as normal. To disable, press the D&D button again. While on an active call, if you need to transfer the call, simply press the transfer key and dial the number. To perform an announced transfer, simply click the transfer button, dial the number, click call, and wait for the caller to answer. Once that third party is ready to take the call, click the transfer button. When on an active call and you would like to bridge in another call, press the conference button. Dial the number that is needed. Press call. Once that third party has answered, simply click the conference button. Now all members are on the call. To end this call, click the speaker button or hang up the phone. To access your directory, click Contacts. This is where you can make changes or add new entries to your phone. If voicemail has been configured onto your account and you have a message, it will be indicated at the top of your display and your phone will blink. If you have a voicemail, log into your voicemail by checking the voicemail box button. To log in to check your messages, change greetings, and overall manage your voicemail, press the message button on your phone. This will access the voicemail system.